हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि मैं इस समय पौंडीचेरी में आई हुई हूँ, तो मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताऊँगी कि मैं कहाँ पे स्टे की, और वो बजट फ्रेंडली होटल है। और देखते हैं, मैं आपको इस पूरे वीडियो में आपको पूरे होटल का टूर कराऊँगी। आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको ये होटल कैसा लगा। सो प्लीज़ आप कंटिन्यू रहिए।
I need an intervention, divine intervention, you know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise, compromise, compromise. Improvise, improvise, improvise. I need a nice vacation and pure introspection, you know. There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. Your sadness doesn't compare to the happiness that's just around the corner. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy, everything's peachy. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. It's been too long now, I think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them, don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so